Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can split a video on the Capcut browser. So select your video and just drag it to your project, or just press the plus button if you can't do that. And then you're going to select this bit and then go to part you want to crop. You can also zoom in here so you can see the clips better. For instance, you want to split it here. So then you're just going to press split or Control B on your keyboard. And then you're also, for instance, you want to split it here, you can also press split or press Control B. And then as you can see, this has been split, and you can move it to like the end of the clip if you want. If you can't see it again, you can zoom out like so. But that is basically how you can trim like split videos on Capcut browser. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!